Almost set. We had 12 in the box, and I think we have 8 on these, right? 5 and 3, so 20.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'm here.
Good. I'll pick the table.
No.
Free. He's sewing. I don't feel like sewing anything.
Last time I talked to him, he was chopping up stuff.
There's actually going to be shoes in there.
Did you have your stuff chopped up? Some tree
Gloves.
stuff. He did the neighbors and he did.
Bike and snowboarding helmets.
Did you too, or just him? No, that's
I don't know. Yeah. I mean, I don't do it. He does it with his son.
Oh.
Hey everyone, it is Chris, the New Jersey Picker here. Thanks for coming along again on another great garage sale, yard sale, treasure hunt. Today, me and my daughter went on some great sales. We had a lot of fun doing these, and as you saw in the beginning, little spoiler teaser. Not really a spoiler, I guess more of a teaser. There is something in that box that I bought for $5 that paid for this entire day already. So stick around to the end, you're going to see what that is.
Sweatshirt. Pink dominoes.
The roots really close a lot of things.
Did you add me up? I mean, you added
Houston.
yourself
$1.50.
up? Okay.
Subaru.
I gotcha.
State.
I talk too much and then I get sidetracked.
It's a cool Eagle shirt. Penn State.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
There's more here. There's like state and Batman state.
Yeah, all those CDs are all. There's only a couple American, all of it's Spanish.
Yeah.
Yeah. There are some American in the front there. Then look on the floor. There's a trillion. That's how many you have. Look over there.
Yep.
They're all
Wow.
Spanish. Those ones on the floor are all Spanish. He had a trillion.
What are we asking for the pans?
50 cents each.
Perfect.
That's all my ex-husband's stuff. He moved out of my rental and he left it. So we're gonna sell for 50 cents.
Cool. I take some of them here
That's
from you.
Christmas tree.
I know, that's the neighbors too.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh, July.
That's like a smaller Tupperware.
July and Christmas. Right?
Yeah.
That's cool. We're gonna get that too. We'll put
People
that
do
over
that.
there.
Christmas into.
Ma'am, are you selling this? This?
No, that's mine.
That's awesome.
Bad.
You know how old that is?
Yeah.
Let's see, I'm 55. That was
This is
probably when I was
always
25. At least
this
30 years
house.
old.
Yeah.
Because I was
Maybe
probably
older.
25 when I had that.
Wow. Yeah, that thing's cool.
Shopping center behind it. Longhurst
Oh,
Avenue. There's a multi-family.
complex over there that people live in there or something like that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Um,
Well, thank you so much. Good luck with your sale today.
thank you.
I like the public telephone sign. It's cool. Good morning. A little too little for you, kid.
Can we put cup first?
It's a puzzle. Millennium puzzle. I saw JFK on it for you, so I was like, ooh, let's look. Oh, you got jewelry you're looking at.
Oh, no. No. Not, I don't think so. I would. No, it's just basically for cooking. Like,
Check out the guitar, kid.
Is that electric?
Yeah. Nice hit. Who is it? Signature Mini. It's like a your size guitar. It's a Squire. Designed by Fender.
Hold on, wait, let me see. I won't drop it, I promise.
You sure you're not going to drop it? You're holding it the wrong way.
I am?
Well, aren't you?
Oh. I totally just forgot how to hold a guitar. Interesting.
Why'd you hit me with it?
Didn't mean to.
You didn't mean to.
Didn't mean to hit you.
Fungo. Do not hit pitched ball. Nice golf bag. Nice North Face jacket, kid. For you.
Oh, no.
No?
No.
Okay.
Here, honey, you need change. Let me get you change, okay? Hang on a second. I said to him, you should put it on Marketplace. Probably sell it right away.
Probably would, yeah. Would you do 3 for the tea kettle?
I'll do 4.
Alright, I'll do that. I think that's all I'm going to pick up.
Okay.
I don't know if I have 4 singles or not. Do I? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you.
No problem.
Enjoy. It's a cute little teapot.
Yeah, it really is. Estate sale. Morning, sir.
What's everyone's thoughts on estate sales? For me, they're hit or miss. This one, I was super excited when we first walked in because as you see here, there's a dollar table. And when I seen a dollar table at an estate sale, I was like, all right, this one might have some potential. And you're about to see this one does definitely have some potential. But let me know in the comments, what are your thoughts? Do you like estate sales? Do you not like estate sales? Do you try to go to them? Do you avoid them? Let me know what you think.
For your hair.
That's cool.
What is it?
There's an old chess and checkers set. Avon. Tea light refills. Clock radios. Oh. Westinghouse.
How you doing, Dad? Anybody have any questions at all? Hole punch. 3 hole punch. $5. 5, yeah.
We got to throw the cassette player and then the
Cassette player.
that one Howell. Oh, this guy in my
Oh,
head.
that one. 2.
Projector.
I don't know. You're the one who's been thinking if you wanted to. 5.
Sure, I'll buy them both. Yep,
All right.
perfect.
What? How much for the extension cord, right?
4. I think we need a little bit just for time being.
Okay.
4. I got more over there.
Cutting grass or something.
Did we look the other thing?
Yeah. I think that's something that's.
Mind if I take the box here, throw stuff in?
Sure.
Awesome.
Keep the change. The blue one, we're going to sell the black one.
What did I drop?
No, I said keep.
Oh, that's right.
It shows you we've been selling stuff on the tables now.
Yeah, right. They can walk in here now.
All right. I'm done.
I can imagine, it's been a long time
There you
now.
go.
This work? Morning.
For $1, you can find out.
What is that?
Bookends.
I use it for my dog. And he
They're nice.
Thank you. Thank you. 5. It's not,
In there.
maybe the money's
Maybe not.
there and then,
Cubes?
shoot.
If you have them,
I
maybe.
got my uncle and his slides are in. I could probably get you a few of them real quick just so you can.
Gray things.
Yeah, if you have them, that'd be great. Yeah.
Just see there's a brown envelope in there, a beige envelope in there. It might be in there.
Put this on the side. Put those like that. I'm gonna just leave this over on the side here.
Just put it right
Okay.
there.
That way. No one buys it on me.
Okay. All right, don't worry about it, hon. We're fine. Go ahead. Thank you. All right, bye.
I'm out of 5s and 10s.
Porcelain dolls.
Huh?
Look at the dolls, kiddo.
Right?
Yeah.
No? Did you see these
All
ones?
right, money bags.
What do you got?
These are cool. Paulins. All right, you want to go look inside? Sure. All right.
1, 2, 3.
That's a classic. I'm gonna ask a 5 on that.
The cover is washable.
It is.
That's what it says, yeah. Look where it's from. 1937, 1940. It's a cookbook.
Jinx.
It's pretty neat. Check out the adjoining room here.
Oh yeah. That's right.
Nice artwork.
So you're now probably thinking, really? That's what's in the box? Well, I'm going to tell you, every time you can get one of those Bell & Howell projectors for $5 or even $10 and they work, you're going to sell them for a good amount. Wait till you see the comps at the end. And these VCRs are going to prove to be a good winner as well. We've already sold one of them. You'll see those comps at the end as well. But hey, thanks for coming along again. I really appreciate everyone joining me on this journey as we go to all these great yard sales and garage sales and estate sales and find all these really cool things to flip and make a profit on. If you already haven't, please subscribe to the channel. I'd appreciate that. I appreciate all my subscribers out there. Thank you so much. Like this video and leave me some comments. I always respond to every single comment that you leave me. Really appreciate it. And until next time, stay safe out there.
Cool.
I can't do that.
Yeah, I think I want both of those. They're heavy though. This one, like the thing's coming off. I'm a little. But they got both the remotes, which is cool. And then Hitachi's got the instruction manual too. It's cool. Yeah, we'll get both of these. One. Let me go put these in our pile.
Need a shower? On mine.
What is this?
I have no idea.
Okay, I was looking at it too. I have no clue
Mount it
either.
to the wall. Look at the piece thing. Somebody mount it, and you put something, maybe candles at one point, but it's old.
Oh, you do
My
that.
brother looked on mine one time. I think it was going for like 20 something on mine or something like that.
Okay, so it's that way. I thought you just stood it up, and I was like, maybe it's decorative. I wasn't sure. I didn't realize
Yeah,
it
no,
actually
you
went on the
mount it,
wall.
yeah.
Yeah. It's just weird looking.
Yeah.
At first, I thought it was like some sort of like a scale of some sort almost, but just the way it looked when we were sitting. But yeah, that's
It's a neat
neat.
piece.
Yeah, it's cool.
You gotta have
It's unique.
matches her hair though.
right. Yeah. I mean, I love the lamp too. I mean, like
My
talk about
uncle
unique.
was a Navy back in I guess 30s.
Oh wow.
So he was the one. He would wear these outfits and go down and
Yeah.
get bodies
Right.
from the planes that went down.
Oh wow.
Yeah, if you look on it, well, yeah, the other wall, there's pictures of him coming up. But
Wow.
we had the helmet in there that he used to use. It was in there for a while. We gave it to his grandchildren on the other side of the family. So,
Wow, that's cool.
yeah, but this thing on eBay, or not eBay, but you see these selling for over $400.
Oh my
I
god.
just can't figure out how to sell it.
Wow.
That would be-
Yeah, I mean that's a tough eBay sale on that.
Yeah,
'Cause
I-
how do you ship it?
Exactly. So,
Yeah, I don't even know. You need like a giant box and a ton of bubble wrap.
exactly. Yeah, so.
Darío, vete lleva eso para que me ayude a llevar la otra que se agarre esa.
Almost set. We had 12 in the box, and I think we have 8 on these, right? 5 and 3, so 20.
Matías,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
voy a llevar la primera caña.
Good luck with the rest of the sale today. Hopefully the weather holds out a little bit more for you.
I hope so. Supposed to. They said maybe a shower here and there, but
Yeah.
we don't have the best luck.
Can you grab the box, kid, or is that gonna be too heavy
I
for
can
you?
grab it.
Let's see if she can get it. It's got handles on the side.
It does.
Okay, you see the handles? You got it?
Yep.
All right.
Thanks
Awesome.
again, folks.
Thanks.
Take care.
Take care.